So after many weeks of delays due to real life, this Aldi 64 keyboard, or Aldi 64 case, is done retrobrighting. Came out really good. Got the badges back on. Need a little bit better adhesive here on this badge. But you can see it came out nice and even. Got the Ultimate 64 board mounted in there, ready to go. So now I just got to work on final assembly of the keyboard, and the keys took longer due to weather, but they came out pretty darn good. So now it's just a matter of putting the keys back on our keyboard, the keyboard back in the Aldi case, and this Ultimate 64 Aldi will be ready to go.